Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can share your location on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is first of all open Find My, and after opening Find My, here you can get the option of Start Sharing Location. So before you tap into this, first of all you'll have to tap on the Me icon right here and then tap on the location which is currently not sharing. So if you swipe up just like this, here you can get the option of Share My Location, tap on the start button and turn it on. So after doing that, tap on People again and then tap on Start Sharing Location. So after you've done that, all you have to do is simply type down the person that you want to share my location to. Just like this, here you can see I have selected the person. All you have to do is tap on the send option right here. And then you'll have to select how much you want to share your location to that person for like 1 hour until the end of the day, or share indefinitely. So I'm going to tap on share for 1 hour since I'm going to share my location for only 1 hour. And here you can see I have now successfully started sharing my location with that particular person. Tap on OK, and that is it. This is how you can share your location on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.